about to start preparing planting, and as I promised, I'm updating you on how we're gonna set up this. Let me explain a little bit how it's gonna work. We're gonna play with colors and textures. I don't randomly choose the vegetables or flowers. I kind of have in mind when I see what I've got, like a palette in my brain, and I want to reproduce like an artwork in a planter. So for example, the tall ones are gonna go at the back, and I have this beautiful purple sage that I fell in love with. We also found some Swiss chard with purple foliage and stems, which I loved, and this could be on the other corner as well. We have this oregano plant that is gonna be in a corner because I want to take advantage of the cascading effect the foliage has, and a grass-like texture. We have chives that we're gonna add to play with the little bit of texture at the same time. We also have here some purple mitsuna, which I believe is gonna go super well to coordinate this palette of colors. And we also got a lettuce, but it repeats the tones and of the purple that you have in the mitsuna here, and the purple on the Swiss chard leaves and the sage. Looking for that element that will tie up all and give unity to the to our art piece, as I call the planters.